Cleaning your floor. To begin, locate your floor care kit. Inside, Karndean Clean, Remove and Refresh, felt pads, and a blue applicator with pads, soft and coarse. How to clean. Start by sweeping your floor. Find a bucket. Add some water. Locate your Karndean Clean and add a small amount to the water as per the instructions. Grab a mop and soak. Then get mopping. Tips for looking after your floor. Add felt pads to furniture legs. Lift, don't drag, and use a mat by the door. Cleaning Made Simple by Karndean.